Welcome to the phonics room. Yes, I'm better than good. How are you today, children? And today is a happy day because you know what? We are going to learn the next consonant sound. All right, the consonant sound from G and J. Oh, G and J. But before that, we are going to sing our alphabet song. Sing along with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Easiest one, two, three. Oh, can you sing with me?
Oh, very good. Excellent. And now we are going to learn about the consonant sound of G and J. So G says g g g, J says j j j. Okay, one more time. G say g g g, and J says j j j. More, we are going to listen about the sound of G says g and J says j in our phonic song. Please welcome.
G. Goats are giggling. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. Goats are giggling, g, g, g. G is the sound of G. Jelly beans jumping, j, j, j. Jelly beans jumping, j, j, j. Jelly beans jumping, j, j, j. J is the sound of J.
Now repeat again with me. G says g g g. Very good. Yes. G says g g g in the word gate. 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 Okay, gate. The in front of your house, if you have a fence or the big door outdoor of your house, usually when you see the castle, it has very big gate. So gate. Open the gate. The big door. Okay. And G says g in the word good. Good. Very good. Oh, good. Yes. Good, 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 good. And next one, G says G in the word goat. 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 Yeah, goat. The animal that has sound just like the sheep. Bah, bah, like that. Goat. Okay. And the next one, the word for G says G is giggling. 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 Loving, very funny because something very funny in front of you and then you are going to giggle. Like that, okay? So that's for G says good. Now J says j in the word jelly. Oh, who loves to eat jelly? Jelly, jelly, up, jelly, jelly. Okay, jelly. Jelly is very good. That's my favorite snack too. And J says j in the word jump. Oh, let's jump, everybody. 1, 2, 3, jumps. Jump, jumping up and down, jumping up and down. And J says J in jet. The jet, airplane jet. Okay. And we have J says J in the word joke. 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 Joke means when you make something funny, okay, and then everybody will love it, because it's very funny, very funny. All right, that is joke. So that is for G says g and J says j. Very good. All right, I'll see you later. Be healthy, obey your mom and dad, and be happy as always. Bye.